Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change profile pictures of WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. Firstly, open the WhatsApp and here you can see three dot on the top right corner. So click on it and then click on setting. So after this you can see profile. So just click on it and here you can see a camera icon. So click on it and then click on gallery. So here select any pictures. So after selecting the pictures you can adjust the size of pictures. So after this click on done options. So you can see profile picture is changed. So guys, in this way you can change profile pictures in the WhatsApp. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.